Hello, welcome to Wolfe Chevrolet. Today we're going to be looking at this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. Comes equipped with the 1.5 liter turbo engine paired with the 6-speed automatic transmission. Other amenities included such as Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, lane keep assist, forward collision alert, heated and ventilated leather seats, and so much more. Come check it out. All right, moving on to the interior, we're going to have these all black doors with gold stitch. We're going to have our paneling and storage on the bottom, equipped with our rear liftgate controls, seat memory, and as well as a Bose speaker sound system. It's going to come up here to the power locks, power mirrors, to power windows with your chrome accent handle. Of course, you're going to have your Equinox badging, the heated and ventilated leather seats with the gold stitch, very comfortable, and the power adjustable lumbar. Left side, you're going to have your ventilation and lighting controls on the left. And onto the steering wheel, left side, you're going to have your cruise control, forward collision alert, heated steering wheel, and as well as your lane keep assist. Your right side is your voice recognition and cluster control. So with cluster control, you can pretty much access all of your vehicle information, as well as your timer, music, navigation, and other vehicle settings as well. It's going to have push to start. You're going to have your climate control as well with your auto stop and your heated and ventilated leather seats. And up top, like I said, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, as well as built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and navigation. You can also access your rear and front cameras, as well as your 360-degree camera. Down below, you're going to have an SD card reader, as well as 2 USB ports and a wireless charging pad as well. You're going to have your park assist, as well as your all-wheel drive selector. Of course, cup holder and shifter, as well as center console with 2 extra USB ports. Passenger side, it's also power adjustable with that gold stitch, heated and ventilated. It's going to have the same door, of course, and you're going to have that chrome and gold stitch across. Bose speakers up top as well. You can also access your OnStar services, your SOS reading lamps, and as well as your dual pane sunroof. You're going to have these 19-inch alloy wheels. We're going to have the paint match mirror caps and paint match keyless entry door handles. Luggage rack up top with deep tint rear glass. Going to the back, you're going to have your black badging. As well as your power lift gate, you're going to have these all-weather mats in the back with extra hooks and tie-downs with 12-volt DC port as well. Extra storage, the seats are foldable as well. And you're also going to have extra wheel well storage just under. It's a very spacious rear. And moving on to the rear, it's going to the same style, storage and cup holder on the bottom, equipped with the speakers. We'll come up here to the power windows with the chrome accent handle. Pop in, tons of extra legroom, stores behind the passenger and driver's seat with rear ventilation, heated rear seating, as well as 2 USB ports and an AC wall charger all the way on the bottom. Right in the center, cup holder and armrest, lamps and handles on the side, and you're gonna have that dual pane sunroof right above you. Well, thank you so much for tuning in today here at Wolfe Chevrolet as we checked out this 2024 Chevrolet Equinox Premier. Comes equipped with a 1.5 liter turbo engine, as well as a 6-speed automatic transmission. You're gonna have your heated and ventilated leather seats, dual pane sunroof, built-in Wi-Fi hotspot and navigation, lane keep assist, and so much more. Thank you so much for watching today. We hope you subscribe. We hope to see you at Chevy Farm very soon.